can watch and you can revise this sum, okay, because most of these things are new to you and you can understand what is the level of number system in CAT. You must have already understood. It's not simple. There are varieties of sums that are coming up. So today you are learning greatest integer function, okay. At the time of exam, when you revise, you will see you forgot everything. That is why I'm recording it, and they are all within playlists, okay. There is a playlist called number system. You will get everything over there. So for any real number x, let this box, you can see within this box this x is there. This is called the greatest integer function, okay. This function is called the greatest integer function, okay. This is for the greatest integer function. Let box x be the largest integer less than or equal to x. So before understanding this, we have to go into what is greatest integer function. So greatest integer function is what? Say for example, if I write down box 1.5, that means the output will be 1. That means the greatest integer which is closest to 1.5, okay, the greatest integer which is closest to 1.5, okay, the greatest integer which is closest to 1.5, that is called the greatest integer function. It should not be more than that. It should not be 2, but it should be less than that. So you only tell me that who is the uh, closest integer of 1.5. Who is the
One.
closest? 1, right? So if I write down, say, box 2.5, what will be the answer?
Two. Two.
If it is, say, 5.21, what will be the answer?
Five.
5. If it is, say, minus 1.5, oh,
-2.
correct, -2. Thank God you didn't say -1. অনন্যা, -2.5 কি হবে?
-3. -3.
Right. Correct. For any real number x, let box x be the largest integer less than or equal to x, okay. Okay, so box x, here the meaning of box x is given, okay. So the meaning is given in the question itself. If summation n equals to 1 till capital N, 1 by 5 plus n by 25 equals to 25, then n is equals to what? Do you know the meaning of summation? Do you know what is the meaning of the summation symbol? It means addition. So if I write down, say, summation I, and then I is equals to 1 till n, what does that mean? Do you know? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 dot 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 going till n. Summation I is equals to 1 till n. What is I? I is starting from 1, okay. So the first number is 1. Why this sign is there? Why not anything else? Because that is what summation means. 1 plus, then 2 plus, then 3 plus, then 4 plus dot 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 till n. Okay, this is the meaning of summation. Now it is given that the summation of n is equals to 1 key. Huh? সে কি গো, সে কি গো, আরে দূর, ও পিলুকে চেনে নাকি? কেন স্ট্রোকটা হলো জানো? ওই চেহারাটা দেখেছো? ওকে রোজ ওই সকালে নিয়ে গিয়ে একজন এক্সারসাইজ করাতে আসতো, ওকে এক্সারসাইজ করাতো, ওই যে বই ফ্ল্যাট যখন আগে ফ্ল্যাটে থাকতাম দেখতাম, পুরো ওর চেহারার জন্য ওই অবস্থা হয়েছে। একটা ধোপ্পল চেহারা, কিচ্ছু করতে হয় না, কিন্তু ও দেখো মরে গেল ওই চেহারার জন্য। ওর ওর বিশাল চেহারা, ওরা ওরা মাছ মাংস খায় না, মারোয়ারি। এহ, হ্যাঁ বাচ্চা ছেলে, লোকটার শুধু চেহারা, লোকটার চেহারার জন্য এই অবস্থা হয়েছে। লোকটাকে একটা আসতো এক্সারসাইজ করাতে, রোজ সকালে ছাদে এক্সারসাইজ করাতো, সময় ও স্ট্রোক এই সব। ওইটা আমি তো ওইটার জন্যই তো কালকে আমি বারবার বলছিলাম এদেরকে। এবার এবার কি করে বলো তো, আর 4-5 দিন দেখা একদম রুটি, শুকনো রুটি, আবার যে কাছাকাছি কেউ মরে অমনি এদের রুটি খাওয়া শুরু হয়ে যায়, আবার দেখো 5 দিন পর থেকে আবার শুরু হবে সেম জিনিস। এখন রাতে জল খেয়ে নেবে আগে থেকে, পরে রুটি খাবে 5 দিন, এখন রিসেন্ট মরেছে তো ফ্রেশ, আবার 5 দিন পর থেকে শুরু হবে। Sorry. Okay. So summation n is equals to 1 till n, 1 by 5 plus n by 25. Summation n is equals to 1 till capital N, 1 by 5 plus n by 25. Okay. Summation n is equals to 1 till n, 1 by 5 plus n by 25. This is given. Now this is the box function. Okay, this is the box function, and it is given that this is equals to 25. What will be the value of n? That means what? That how much should I take this n? Okay, how much should I take this n so that on first of all adding these expression whatever is inside and doing the box function I get 25. Very critical sum. I'll try my best to explain you. So 1 by 5 plus 9 by 25. Let's see if I simplify this, what do I get? Okay, 5 by n, right? This is simple, just simplifying the equation. Now n is starting from which number? 1. So when n is equals to 1, what will be the condition of this equation? When n is equals to 1, what will be the condition of this equation? Let me do it in graph quickly. 5 plus 1 by 25, yes or no? That is equals to 6 by 25, yes or no? Now tell me, what is going to be the box function of 6 by 25? What output am I going to get if I do the box function of 6 by 25?
0.
আস্তে আস্তে বলছো কেন, এরকম ভয়ানক ভাবে বলছো কেন? সেই
শিওর নই বলে।
সেই 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 হরার মুভিতে হয় না, যে 4-5টা শহুরে ছেলে গ্রামে এসছে, হ্যাঁ বলছে রাতে আমি হাভেলিতে থাকবো, তারপর সেই গ্রামে কোনো এক বৃদ্ধ মহিলা বলছে না থেকো না, ওরকম ভাবেই তুমি বলছো আর কি জিরোটা। ওকে, জিরোটা এমন ভাবে বলো যেন ক্লাসে সবাই নেগেটিভ পেয়েছে, তুমি একলা হাইস্ট পেয়েছো, দ্যাট ইজ জিরো। ঠিক আছে? So when n is equals to 1, 5 plus n by 25 is going to give me what? 0. Did you understand this? Why did it give 0? 6 by 25 is going to be what? 0 point something, right? It is going to be 0.2 something. So box function ki debe? It will give me the closest integer which is 0. What is the box function of 0.5? 0, right? Tell me, have you understood this part? Bhavna, Deepak, Shonan?
Yes, sir.
Right? 0.
Yes.
Right. Now see, take n is equals to 2. And what do I get if I take n is equals to 2? What do I get? 5 plus 2 by 25.
7 by 20.
What should I get? What should be the box function output?
0.
0. If I take n is equals to 3, what will be the box function output? Ananya?
0.
0.
8 is
Like this. So what I observe is that as long as 5 plus n, as long as 5 plus n is less than equals to, less than, not less than equals to, less than 25, what am I getting? Box function output 0. Now can you tell me that up to which value of n will 5 plus n be
20.
less than 25?
and 24.
24. n যদি 24 হয় তাহলে 24 plus 5 to 29
না
হয়ে
না
যাচ্ছে। Up to which value of n will 5 plus n be less than 25? Tell me.
20.
Less than বলেছে, not less than
20
equals
no
to
19.
19. So like
19.
this it will go on up to n is equals to 19. Okay, so for n is equals to 19, I can see 5 plus 19 by 24, and that is again 0, right? So that means from n is equals to 1 till 19, I am getting my summation as 0 only. But what do I need to bring? I need to bring 25. So I have to move to now n equals to 20. When I move n equals to 20, box function 5 plus n by 25. So n equals to 25, what will be the box function output? Tell me.
1.
1. When n equals to 21, what will be the box function output? Tell me.
1.
1. Like this it will go until which number? That means 5 plus n has to be what? Greater than equals to 25. So this one value, this one will go until which number? Tell me. I mean, what should be the maximum value of n such that my box function produces the output as 1? That means what? It is going till maximum 1.9, na? This box function is going maximum till 1.9, then that is why the answer is coming 1, because once it jumps to 2, the output will become 2. So tell me that till what value of n will the internal value of this will remain 1.9?
So 44.
44, right? So if I continue n equals to 20, n equals to 21, n equals to 22, like this till n is equals to 44, I can see that 5 plus 44 is what? 49, and 49 by 25 is what? Less than 2, because 50 by 25 is 2, right? 50 by 25 is 2. So when this becomes 50, then this box function jumps to 2. But when it is up to n equals to 49, this box function remains 1. So it produces 1. Now if I add all these values, what do I get? I get the first 19 numbers as 0. So 19 into 0. The first 19 numbers as 0. Plus 20 to 40 to 44. How many are there? 25 numbers are there. 20 to 44, 25 numbers are there. 44 minus 20 is 24. Okay, and taking 20, it is 25 numbers are there. So that means 25, what numbers are there? Ones are there. 25 ones. So 25 into 1. That is giving me what? 25, which is this answer which I need to bring, 25. You might be asking that why didn't I move to more than that so that I get the box function as 2, because I don't need it. I have been asked to find out up to which value of n do I get 25. So that means what is the value of n coming? How many instances did we have to take? From 1 to 19, 19 numbers, and then from 20 to so 19 numbers from here, and then 25 numbers. So in total 44. So 44 is the answer. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Ananya, Dipakshi, Bhavana?
Yes, sir.
Sure, Dipakshi? श्योर। भावना, what you saying? Understood or not understood? If not, then I will explain again.
Sir,
Okay. Sure. Don't be shy. Okay. Don't be shy. In Ahmedabad, there are many restaurants where you get unlimited food for rupees 60. Pay rupees 60 and unlimited food. Okay. So here I will explain you, give you unlimited explanation. অনন্যা, তুমি বুঝতে পেরেছো তো?
লাস্টে ওটা বুঝতে পারলাম না কেন ওটা 44
ওকে ওকে, তাহলে পুরোটাই বোঝাচ্ছি কারণ ভাবনা বুঝতে চাইছি। ওকে, সো ভাবনা, ফার্স্ট অফ অল টেল মি, হ্যাভ ইউ আন্ডারস্টুড হোয়াট গ্রেটেস্ট ইন্টিজার ফাংশন ইজ? Okay, by that time I'm giving you the next question. Okay, let me explain this. I'll go to next question later.
Yes, sir.
Greatest integer function is what you have understood. Now see here, the question is that find out the value of n for which the summation of this greatest integer function is 25. That is the question. So what is the first thing that I am doing? I am actually simplifying this internal expression. 1 by 5 plus n by 25 is 5 plus n by 25. ये है मेरा अंदर का expression. Now see, I am taking different values of n and I am testing that what output does the this box function give. Okay, I am testing different values of, I am putting different values of n. Okay, okay. So I am putting different values of n. Okay, I am putting different values of n and I am seeing that what output does this greatest integer function give. Okay, so when n is equals to 1, okay, when n is equals to 1, so when n is equals to 1, what do I get? 5 plus 1 by 25. 5 plus 1 मतलब क्या, ऊपर में क्या है 6 है और नीचे क्या है 25 है, राइट? तो 6 by 25 मतलब क्या, इट इज कमिंग 0.2 समथिंग आ रहा है, राइट? सो 0.2 जब आ रहा है, ओके, तो उसका क्लोजेस्ट इंटीजर कौन है? 0? यस और नो? Who is the closest integer? 0, right? When n is equals to 2, when n is equals to 2, तब क्या आ रहा है? 5 plus 2 by 25, that is 7 by 25, तब भी 0.2 something आ रहा है. So who is the output? What is the output? 0. When n is equals to 3 coming, that means 5 plus 3 by 25, that is 8 by 25. What is the output? 0. Right? So जब तक न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से छोटा है, मेरा ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन का आउटपुट क्या होगा? 0 होगा. ये समझ में आया कि नहीं, बोलो?
हाँ सर.
सो आउट न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से छोटा कब तक होगा? जब तक n 19 है, जब तक n 19 है. ओके, n जब तक 19 है, तब क्या हो रहा है? 5 plus 19 by 25, that is 0. 0 आ रहा है. अच्छा, अभी जैसे n टपक के 20 में गया, ओके, जब n 20 में मूव किया, तब क्या होगा? 5 plus n क्या हो जाएगा? 25. तो 25 plus 25 हो गया 1. जब n 21 हुआ, तब क्या हुआ? 26 by 25, तब क्या हुआ? 1. जब 22 हुआ, 27 by 25, तब क्या हुआ? ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन का आउटपुट 1. रिमेंबर, ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन ऑलवेज गिव्स द क्लोजेस्ट इंटीजर बट लेस देन द वॉट एवर वैल्यू इज रिटन. सो यहाँ पर अगर 1.5 आ रहा है, दैट मीन्स द आउटपुट इज 1. ओके, तो n इक्वल्स टू 2 जब n इक्वल्स टू जब 27 हो रहा है, दैट मीन्स व्हाट, सॉरी, n इक्वल्स टू जब 22 हो रहा है, दैट मीन्स 27 by 25. 27 by 25 करके देखो 1 पॉइंट समथिंग आएगा. तो ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन का आउटपुट क्या होगा? 1. ये चलता रहेगा कहाँ तक? 44 तक. जब n 44 होगा, 44 plus 5 is 49 by 25. 49 by 25 क्या होगा? 1 होगा. डिवाइड करके देख सकते हो कैलकुलेटर में। 49 by 25 इज 1 पॉइंट समथिंग, तो उसका ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन आउटपुट क्या होगा, 1 होगा। अभी मैं इतना जो मुझे वैल्यू मिला 44 तक, ये 25 आ रहा है कि नहीं मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ। देखो पहला 19 नंबर्स के लिए फॉर n इज इक्वल्स टू 1 till 19 what values do I have, 0 0 0 0, so 19 into 0, ठीक है,
0 25
19
into
बार 0
0
आया,
is
और फिर 24 बार 25 बार क्या आया, 1 आया, so 25 into 1 करके मुझे क्या मिला, 25, ठीक है। ये सब करके मुझे क्या मिला, मुझे 25 मिला, ठीक है। सो व्हाट इज n, n इज 19 प्लस 25 विच इज 44, तो n जब 44 तक जाएगा तब मुझे इसका आउटपुट क्या मिलेगा, 25।